Hi family, Happy New Year. Today I have 2 New Year's Day budget-friendly, easy tablescapes for you. Stay with me. Recap the cost of this table, starting with my chandelier. Now I repurposed the decor from my Christmas decor for New Year's Day. That cost was a total of $20. Now let's go to my rented tablecloth. Depending on the size of your table, it will vary, but I'm going to say $25 for my tablecloth. Next, I want to go to my charger plates. A savings, I picked those up after Christmas. They were regular like $15 and I paid $4 for those. Now another savings, and to keep the table in the budget that I wanted to keep it within, I use plastic plates and I love the look. One other tip that I did in not only using plastic plates is my flatware I used that I already had. I own that. The water glasses, I actually picked those up at the dollar store, only $1, $6. Now, another cost savings that I added was the paper napkins. I doubled dinner size 2 paper napkins, and then I used napkin rings that I already had. And previous videos I've told you that I actually made those napkin rings for under $2 a napkin ring. They're 3-ring binders, and I went and bought screw nuts and put them on the 3-ring binders, and I love how they turned out, and they were very cost effective. Next, let's go to my centerpieces. These are actual candle holders that I've had for years. Actually picked those up at the dollar store. And I'm using them as a candy dish for today. And I bought these actual fruit slice candies to put in these candle holders, and I love the colors. Another thing that I did is, you've seen these before, they're ice, and my strawberries. I've had this decor for years, and I'm sure you have different decor at your home that you can pick and choose what you want your table to look like. The total cost for this tablescape was $100. Now stay with me because I have another budget-friendly tablescape for you. Okay family, this is my next budget-friendly tablescape. Now, say for instance, you said you would host New Year's Day dinner back in October, but what you didn't know was you were going to overspend for Christmas. That's okay. I got you with this one. Now, all of this items you see here in the tablescape came from the dollar store. Let's recap this cost. I have 3 table runners here. They were $3. Then I have my placemats. They were $1 a piece, totaling $6. I added to my placemats these glass plates because I wanted you to see that the placemats said blessed. I think that was beautiful. They were $6. Then my water glasses, they were $1 a piece, so that's $6. Now my flatware, they actually came in a pack of 3. So for 6, I only paid $2. Okay. My centerpiece, my 2 candle holders came from the dollar store. And then what I did was bought a styrofoam ball, which was also from the dollar store, and it was $1. And then added the roses to the styrofoam to make a kissing ball, and that's probably about $5 in roses that I bought from the dollar store. Another special touch that I did. You know somebody's going to want to have a toast, so you want to be prepared. What I did was I bought the plastic champagne glasses, but just for an added touch, I went and got a bronze color Sharpie pen, and I wrote the names on the champagne glasses. Now, just for decorative purposes, I put in decorative stones and, of course, the strawberries that I had in my collection for years. Now, all of this, including the champagne glasses, came to $39. I don't think you can beat that. Okay, family, I hope you enjoyed my 2 budget-friendly tablescapes, and let me know in the comments section your thoughts. Also, be on the lookout for Pure Elegance with Kim, which will be coming soon. So until next time, be blessed.